Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Beyond the Preface. Today we are discussing nuisance. It is a type of tort that involves interference with someone's use or enjoyment of their property. Nuisance can take many forms, from noise pollution to environmental hazards. So we must understand what is nuisance. So nuisance occurs when someone's actions or omissions cause a substantial interference with another person's property rights. This can include noise, pollution, vibrations, or other forms of disturbance. There are two main types of nuisance. First one is private nuisance and second one is public nuisance. So we will now discuss what is private nuisance. So private nuisance involves interference with a specific individual's property rights. The examples may include the noise from a neighbor's property, overhanging branches or roots from a neighbor's tree, etc. To establish a private nuisance claim, the interference must be substantial and unreasonable. On further, now we will discuss what is public nuisance. So basically, public nuisance involves interference with the public's right to use public spaces or enjoy public rights. The examples may include obstruction of public pathways or roads. Public nuisance can affect a large number of people and it's often addressed through government action or public interest litigation. Now we will discuss about the remedies for nuisance. So the remedies for nuisance can include firstly the injunctions to stop the nuisance, secondly damages for the losses or harm caused, and lastly abatement of the nuisance such as removing the source of the disturbance. The choice of remedy depends on the specific circumstances of the case and the goals of the parties involved. In conclusion, I want to say that nuisance is a complex and multifaceted area of law that protects individuals' property rights and promote public safety. I hope you have understood the concept of nuisance clearly. Thank you for watching the video.